You will have 5 questions to answer. Let's check. Let's look at the options. Русский, where you can see it. And what do you know about русский язык in this form? It's of course nominative or accusative case. The example is русский язык очень интересный язык. Nominative case. And accusative в школе мы изучали русский язык. The form по-русски, it's an adverb, means in a certain style, manner. По-детски, in kids manner, по-женски, in female manner. Русский, it can be a Russian man, ее муж русский, or it can be an adjective about Russian culture, language and the rest. Мне нравятся русские писатели. If you analyze the question we have, you can easily understand that this one по-русски is the right answer. Вы умеете читать по-русски? The second one. And again, better to analyze the options, just to check yourself, can you understand the grammar without the context first. Откуда means from where, used with genitive. Я знаю, откуда он идет. Он идет из театра. Куда means to where, used with accusative case. Куда ты пойдешь после работы? And где, where, prepositional case. Его мама всегда знает, где он. Now let's go back to the question. Ты был. There is no motion. You. Don't go from and don't go to the place. We want to know где ты был. Где ты был? When we use preposition в, it can be in instrumental case or in accusative case, but let's talk about prepositional first. We have in our question телевизор. Телевизор, it's male form. So if I have in, в preposition, my телевизор should have е ending. Я работаю в офисе. In office, male, you will put е ending. In prepositional case, you will have zero ending for the male singular noun. Студенты ходят в университет. To. They go to university. We can see that телевизор in our question has u ending, so it's definitely not в preposition. На is used for prepositional case, but the meaning is on. Книга лежит на столе. Or again accusative, but for events. Студенты ушли на концерт. The endings would be the same, whether yeah or whether nothing for singular male noun. Our televisor has U ending, so maybe по would be correct answer. По means alone with the dative case. Usually we use along the streets, along the wires, cables, maybe the message is sent via or along those wires. Мы долго шли по дороге. Along the road. Дорога here it's feminine, but in male form U ending we will have for dative. So that's why it would be по телевизору. Don't forget, in dative usually students don't understand the endings. If the noun is masculine, it would be U, as we had here телевизору. If the noun is feminine, you will have е ending. Мы долго шли по дороге. Park. It's a noun, male, singular, and this zero ending can be in nominative case or accusative. Рядом с моим домом есть красивый парк. In our question, noun that we need to pick has старый, the adjective. If we go back to the park, park as a male singular noun in accusative and in nominative case should have original ending of the adjective. It can be ый, и or ой. If we go to озеро, lake, neuter, singular noun, again it can be in nominative or accusative case. Our adjective to such situation and such neuter noun should be ое or ее. Это озеро очень красивое. If we compare with our старый, of course, озеро wouldn't be a correct choice. Площадь. Female or feminine singular noun can be in nominative and in accusative. Don't forget that in accusative case, female nouns with soft sign you don't change. You keep it as they were. Мне нравится Красная площадь. For nominative case, adjective will have ая or яя ending. For accusative, it can be ую or юю. Again, if we go back to our question, those endings we don't have with our old, старый. So, парк is the only possible answer. Около института находится старый парк. It's all about the girl, this girl. So we will talk about feminine. Этой, ой ending is for all female or feminine forms in all the cases. Exception is only for nominative and accusative cases. Ты живешь в этой квартире, в этой prepositional, этой, с этой. As I said before, ой would be for all cases, but here you have preposition с, it's definitely instrumental case. Он встречается с этой девушкой. Эту. Accusative. Я хочу купить эту книгу. If we go back to our girl, девушку, this ending will help us to understand that it's accusative case. And even if you analyze the situation, I saw that this girl. Я видел эту девушку. Accusative because the action is done to this girl. She is the object.